Understanding how quickly you can get set up on a platform like Bitwala is key. When you're ready to dive into Bitcoin and Euro banking, speed matters. So, let's talk Bitwala account verification. The speed of your verification process on Bitwala, much like most regulated financial platforms, really depends on two main things: the quality of your documents and how busy the system is. For basic account opening, the initial steps are quick. You sign up, enter your details, and confirm your email almost instantly. The crucial part is the mandatory identity verification, often called KYC, or Know Your Customer. This is where you upload your ID and sometimes a proof of address. Bitwala uses a digital process for this, designed to be fast. If you upload clear, correctly formatted documents that meet all the requirements, the system can often verify you within a short period. In the best-case scenario, many users report completing this step in a matter of hours, sometimes even minutes. However, if your documents are blurry, incomplete, or if there's any discrepancy, your application might be flagged for a manual review. A manual review means a human agent has to look at your documents, which naturally takes longer. This can extend the process to a few business days, depending on their current application volume. The best advice to ensure a fast verification is preparation. Double-check that your ID is current, your photos are sharp, and all information matches your application exactly. Doing this upfront is the biggest factor in shaving off waiting time. Ultimately, while Bitwala aims for a near-instant experience, be ready for a potential few-day wait if a manual check is triggered. Get your documents right the first time, and you'll be set up to trade much faster.